Well, it turns out my camera is a piece of junk for picking up good sound. So I'm gonna try this again. Hopefully it'll pick up the bass a little bit better, and I'll give you an idea of what I'm running back here for sub and the amps I'm running. That's a Kicker L5 10-inch sub being ran by a Pioneer 820 watt amp. She's running bridged, so it's pushing every bit of it. Got my cat back there. The negative grounds, that's just a temporary one until I find a better spot. I might just keep them there, but just hide them behind the panels. I'm still unsure of what I want to completely do back here. Over here, this is my Kicker 400 4-channel. This is running all of my door speakers. Kicker has this amp rated at 432 watts max, which breaks down to 108 per channel. It's a very good setup.
I pray for Houston, Texas tonight. I pray for the people that are in this concert. I pray that you would refresh them, that you would renew them, that you would revive them, that they would leave this concert passion in pursuit of you, and take that passion to their workplaces, to their Jesus freaks. You'll turn me up in my mind. You hit me like a bomb. Everything I'm used to is suddenly gone. Solitude accuse you. Do you know what you've done when you hit me like a bomb? Hear the sound of the sirens ringing. See the world of a life that's changing. You that I love you. What have I showed you just how much?
A little bit of rock. Well, I'm hoping this will be a good remake. This camera's still a piece of crap. You know, this camera's been through Iraq, it's been dropped, it's been kicked, I don't know, it's got Alzheimer's. So, we'll see.